For all of you who are below 12 years of age, no, I mean to say really 12 years, not in your brain alone. So we are starting a new process here. The Tamil children from anywhere in the country or outside, a child below 12 years of age, if they can come and render one Devaram, they will get a prize, a special prize. So, Tamil children, wherever they are, or whatever language you are, if you can render a Devaram at the Adiyogi, you will get a prize. Throughout the year, any day, you can come and claim the prize. So, please make sure it happens that thousands of children should learn Devaram and render it here for Adiyogi. Let's make this happen. Well, all of you who are over 12 years of age, time bar for you. So you could do something else. As I said, we have lit the Mahayoga Yagna. We have a commitment in the next 24 months, at least 2 billion people on the planet. That includes you. Don't be like that Gamparodia, you know? You count everybody except yourself, including you. Everybody must have at least a 12 to 15 minutes process where they can close their eyes and focus upon their well-being. We will offer an array of meditations and stuff. Please make use of this. Ella Tamil makkal konjam gamanikkanum, enga irukkranga, ella thoongitangala? Enna ippadi Tamilana ipdiya? 12 வயசு கீழே இருந்தா நீங்க என்ன? 12 வயசு கீழே இருக்கிற குழந்தை ஒரு தேவாரம் வந்து ஆதியோகிக்கு அர்ப்பணை பண்ணாங்கன்னா அவருக்கு ஒரு பரிசு கிடைக்கும். என்னன்னு கேட்க வேண்டாம், ஒரு முக்கியமான பரிசு அவருக்கு நம்ம கொடுக்க போகிறோம். இதனால நம்ம கிராமங்களில் தேவாரம் கற்றுக்கிற மாதிரி பண்ணிக்கணும். 12 வயசு கீழே இருக்கிற குழந்தைக்கு இங்கே வந்து ஆதியோகிக்கு அர்ப்பணை பண்ணால் கட்டாயமாக ஒரு பரிசு கிடைக்கும். நீங்கள் எல்லாமே உங்கள் ஊரில் சின்ன குழந்தைக்கு எல்லாமே ஒரு புத்துணர்வு கொடுக்கணும் இந்த நோக்கத்தில். என்ன ஒரு நாள் தூங்கலைன்னா இப்படி ஆயிடுவீங்களே, என்ன இப்படி ஒரே ஒரு நாள் தூங்கலைன்னா இப்படியா? We will be launching a movement, a global movement called Conscious Planet, because there is only one problem on the planet, human being. There is simply no other problem. If this human being is little more sensible, how many problems will disappear right now? Hello? So what is the problem with the human being? Human being is the peak of evolution on this planet. The flower of life on this planet, of all the lives, most intelligent, most competent, most capable, but one big mess. Because once you attain to this level of intelligence and capability, everything that you do is supposed to happen consciously. The moment you do the same things compulsively, unconsciously, humanity is a disaster. That's where we are right now. Not that we have some other enemy. We are doing fine by ourselves. People are expecting some aliens will come and trouble us, but we are doing great by ourselves. We are capable of destroying ourselves totally out of our own silly nonsense. Hello? The problem is just this instinctive, compulsive reaction to everything. What we need is a conscious planet. Conscious planet does not mean planet is going to glow with a halo. It is you and me. Human beings have to become conscious. So in this direction, we'll be launching this movement. Every one of you should do your bit because this is your world. Or are you going to give it away to me? Hello? You're giving away the planet to me or is it yours? If it's ours, only we can make it happen. People have looked up and waited, looked down and waited. No. You can wait for an eternity, nothing is going to happen. If we want something to happen in this world, we got to make it happen, there is simply no other way. To make this happen, there are many things needed. We have the necessary energy, we have the necessary tools. What is needed is willingness from your side, that's all that's missing. You always think somebody else need to be fixed. That's not the point, it's you and me. If you make a percentage of improvement within yourself, there is a percentage of improvement in the whole world. Hello? How much percentage are you willing? Yeah, you know. You think I'm so naive to believe you're 100% going to be transformed tomorrow morning? I'm saying at least 15 minutes a day. 15 minutes a day, yourself, each one of you, I'm sure you're capable of influencing at least another 100 people. 100% you said? At least another 100 people, 15 minutes a day. They must do something to turn inward for their own well-being, not for somebody else's sake. This is not service. This is something that's most essential because this will multiply. Will you wait for these disasters to happen or preempt the disaster? Because mental illness is going to multiply like you have not imagined. And don't think you are exempt, don't think it's going to happen to somebody else. It can happen to you and me, not me. But it can happen to any human being. So, let's not wait for a disaster and then try to fix it. Very easily we can preempt this disaster if you bring a certain amount of conscious way of existence. This is what the effort is. It is… I know people think it is naive to think that world is going to become conscious. Well, they will become conscious, I'm sure about that. Will they do it after the disaster strikes or before? That's the only question. It's my wish and my blessing. We must turn around before the disaster. What do you think, all of you? Yes. What year? Before or after? Before the disaster. We must fix it before the disaster. Only a fool will fix it after the disaster. Hello? Yes. Only utter fools will try to fix things after the disaster because post-disaster, you may not have the capability to fix it. Before disaster, we are still standing on our legs, we can fix it, it's possible to do it. So, be with us and we will be launching a whole process as to how people can access this. This is the first time in the history of humanity that we can sit in one place and talk to the entire world. When there is such a possibility, if we don't do what we want to do, it just shows that we don't have enough love in our hearts, that's all it is. There is no other excuse, we just don't care. That's the only reason why things have not happened. 100 years ago it was different, now it's possible. Let's make it happen. Tamil solliduvinga konjam time.
இப்பொழுது விழிப்புணர்வுள்ள பூமி என்கிற இயக்கத்தை நாம் தொடங்க இருக்கிறோம். இந்த இயக்கம் உங்களிடமிருந்து முழுமையான ஒத்துழைப்பை நான் எதிர்பார்க்கிறேன். ஒத்துழைப்பு என்றால் நீங்கள் 100% என்று சொல்வீர்கள். நான் அதை நம்ப மாட்டேன் என்று சொன்னாலும் கூட குறைந்தபட்சம் 15 நிமிடங்கள் ஒரு நாளுக்கு உள்நிலை மாற்றத்துக்காக, மகிழ்ச்சிக்காக, ஆனந்தத்துக்காக நீங்கள் ஒதுக்க வேண்டும். இந்த 15 நிமிடங்கள் நீங்கள் மட்டும் செய்தால் போதாது, குறைந்தபட்சம் 100 பேர்களுக்கு இந்த தாக்கத்தை நீங்கள் ஏற்படுத்தி அவர்கள் தங்கள் உள்நிலை நலனுக்காக ஒரு 15 நிமிடங்களேனும் தினமும் முதலீடு செய்கிற விதமாக நீங்கள் அமைக்க வேண்டும். இந்த உலகம் மனநிலை சார்ந்த ஒரு பெருந்தொற்றை எதிர்பார்த்திருக்கிறது. அது நேர்ந்த பிறகு சரி செய்யக்கூடாது. நேர்வதற்கு முன்பே அதை தடுப்பதற்கான தகுதியும் திறமையும் நமக்கு வேண்டும். ஒரு தீமை நேர்ந்த பிறகு அதை சரி செய்ய பார்ப்பவன் ஒரு முட்டாளாகத்தான் இருப்பான். ஒன்று ஏற்படுவதற்கு முன்பே அதை தடுத்து நிறுத்துவதுதான் புத்திசாலித்தனமாக கருதப்படுகிறது. இந்த உலகம் அத்தகைய ஒரு தன்மையை எதிர்பார்க்கிறது. இது நீங்கள் செய்ய வேண்டியது, பிறருக்கு செய்கிற சேவை அல்ல, நீங்களே உங்களுக்கு செய்யக்கூடியது. எனவே இந்த விழிப்புணர்வை நாம் கொண்டு வர வேண்டும்.
Well, to make this happen, all of you, this magnificent night, should I congratulate you? Thank you or bless you that every day must pass like this in your life. Need not be dancing, need not be loud music, but the same overflow of joy should happen, music or no music, what the hell? Hello? Yes. No music, can't you be joyful? Hello? No music, can't you be joyful? Yes. This is all there is. Life is just a brief amount of time. You want to make a mess out of it, you're welcome, but what's the point? What is the point? This didn't happen, that didn't happen, so many things didn't happen, but you came with nothing and you're going back with nothing. I'm just reminding you, there is no container service at the end. So, there is nothing to take, all you have is whether you made this experience of life a wonderful process for yourself and everything else around you or not. This is all you have. So Mahashivratri should not be one night every day. You must be like this. It does not mean you have to do the same things. Whatever you do, you can be like this. Just listen to the Devaram, how it is. If the children have to learn, first the adults have to learn. That's why I'm giving you a sample of this.
Yadum suvadu pada
Please say this after me.
Shiva Shambho Shambho Shiva Shambho Shambho Shiva Shambho Shambho Shiva Shambho Shiva Shambho Shambho Shiva Shambho Shambho Shiva Shambho Shambho Shiva Shambho Shiva Shambho Shambho Shiva Shambho Shambho Shiva Shambho Shambho Shiva Shambho Shiva Shambho Shambho Shiva Shambho Shambho Shiva Shambho Shambho Shiva Shambho Shiva Shambho Shambho Shiva Shambho Shambho Shiva Shambho Shambho Shiva Shambho Shiva Shambho Shambho Shiva Shambho Shambho Shiva Shambho Shambho Shiva Shambho Shiva Shambho Shambho Shiva Shambho Shambho Shiva Shambho Shambho Shiva Shambho Shiva Shambho Shambho Shiva Shambho Shambho Shiva Shambho Shambho Shiva Shambho Shiva Shambho Shambho Shiva Shambho Shambho Shiva Shambho Shambho Shiva Shambho Shiva Shambho Shambho Shiva Shambho Shambho शिव शंभो शंभो शिव शंभो शिव शंभो शंभो शिव शंभो शंभो शिव शंभो शंभो शिव शंभो शिव शंभो शंभो शिव शंभो शंभो शिव शंभो शंभो शिव शंभो शिव शंभो शंभो शिव शंभो शंभो शिव शंभो शंभो शिव शंभो शिव शंभो शंभो शिव शंभो शंभो शिव शंभो शंभो शिव शंभो शिव शंभो शंभो शिव शंभो शंभो शिव शंभो शंभो शिव शंभो शिव शंभो शंभो शिव शंभो शंभो शिव शंभो शंभो शिव शंभो शिव शंभो शंभो शिव शंभो शंभो शिव शंभो शंभो शिव शंभो शिव शंभो शंभो शिव शंभो शंभो शिव शंभो शंभो शिव शंभो शिव शंभो शंभो शिव शंभो शंभो शिव शंभो शंभो शिव शंभो शिव शंभो शंभो शिव शंभो शंभो शिव शंभो शंभो शिव शंभो शिव शंभो शंभो शिव शंभो शंभो शिव शंभो शंभो शिव शंभो शिव शंभो शंभो शिव शंभो शंभो शिव शंभो शंभो शिव शंभो शिव शंभो शंभो शिव शंभो शंभो शिव शंभो शंभो शिव शंभो शिव शंभो शंभो शिव शंभो शंभो शिव शंभो शंभो शिव शंभो शिव शंभो शंभो